Welcome to White Noise 2. I did not mean to put a screenshot. That's just the same button I used to record. It's fine. We're gonna play. Solo game. We're gonna be full random. Full random, bitch. Full random. Oh yeah. I'm hoping than the one I recorded earlier. Oh great, I'm Corey. Great! Fucking great. Oh shit. Oh, I gotta turn it up. Yes. So I shit my pants. I already hear the first clip.
People want to know what happened here, why they had to relocate the students. No one gives answers. Nobody can.
What do you mean? I'm not answering that. No, sir. No, sir. I don't think so. I don't care if it's my mom. Mom, you're gonna have to just call me when I get home. Send this demon back to hell, okay? The fuck was that? Just kidding. I'm seeing shit, man. Is this an exit or... Shit! I didn't mean to throw it against the wall. God dang it. Oh, fuck. I hate this level because there's so many different, like... There's so many different, yeah, levels. Like, up and down and shit. Okay, I hear one.
As usual, crowded places.
Not today, bitch.
Wanted visitors.
Okay, where's the... How do I get out of here? How do I get out of here? Yeet! Holy fucking shit! Motherfucker! Alright, turn that music off. I hear a tape. Stop. It's around here. There you are. I see you, bitch.
These roots were black yesterday. Old, but empty. Now there's
Just like
all
me.
over. Strange
Old and empty.
symbols.
I should have went to the bathroom before playing this game. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Dead ends. Collect the nearby shards? Oh. Rift ready for ritual. What rift? Oh! Yeet! He's coming! Hurry up! Oh, maybe not. Okay. I can't see how many clues I have left because my camera's in the fucking way. I don't know why I put it over there. Nope. Shit, I'm not even going the right way. I'm not running. I don't want that bitch to hear me. Where is it? I hear it. Where is it? Oh, maybe it's on the other side of the wall. I'm a fucking idiot.
Everyone is gone, but me. Please stay at a distance. They won't get me. Why?
Why? Mom! I'm not answering. Battery's only almost halfway down, so I might as well. Yeet! Yes, I know. I don't want these clues. I don't want them. I don't want them. Do you think I care? Think I care about these clues? Bitch. Hear you. I wish I kept count of how many clues I have. What? Where is it? I can't control myself. Fucking bitch. Stay away from me. Stay away, damn it. Fuck.
So many trophies. These guys were real winners. But it doesn't matter where they are now.
Fuck, man. Is it this way? Oh, come on. There's no way. Next time you will die. Fuck. 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 Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Stop running. It's fine. It's fine. Come on, compass. I don't know how many clues I have left, though. I really don't know. I hear it. I hear it. I can't fucking see shit. Where is it? Where are you? It's right. Ah!
Someone tripped down the stairs. She broke her leg. She's done for good.
God dang it. I don't know how many clues I have. I just don't know. I don't know. Shh. I haven't found any item. God damn it. It is so fucking far. Damn it. It's fine, guys. It's fine. Dude, it's so fucking far. What is this? Yes, bitch, yes. That's exactly what I need. Use that shit. Use that shit. Hurry up. Hurry the fuck up. God, you're taking forever. Alright. God fucking dang it. Yeet! Fuck. No, that's not an item. this way. The fuck? Nah, I think not, bitch. Oh. Yes. Yes. Break it! Break it! Oh my god. It's open. Oh my god. Come on. Oh my god, no! No. Run, bitch, come on. I don't care if you're like missing a freaking leg. Get your ass to the grass. It's downstairs. It's fucking downstairs. I can't see shit. Where's the stairs? Where's the fucking stairs? God dang it. Where's the stairs? Jump! Oh no. Move! Oh my fucking... I'm gonna send you back to hell, bitch. Get your ass going. There's one. There's one. Come on. Come on! Break it! Shit, fucking, where is it? There's it. There's one. Is it only two? Break it, Corey. Break it. Almost. Fuck that thing, dude. Mankind is safe for now. He's dropping a lot of shit. Oh, he had me, but I took him out. He scared me again. What's he doing over there? Just hanging out? What's he doing? He was like standing there for like 2 minutes. Whatever, that was great. So glad we had fun. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.